Hi, I'm Brian, co-founder here at OnJax. Our team has been listening to our clients' needs for more than a decade. It's clear that you need smart, easy-to-use technology that helps you connect and engage with your real estate customers on a human level. And now more than ever, your customers need you, their real estate agent. Our team is here to help as we continue our commitment to meeting your needs during changing times. Many of you have shared the impact of this recent global pandemic to your day-to-day business, and you need better ways to offer your expertise, advice, and strategic guidance to the home buyers and sellers you love to serve. So we're launching 3 powerful new ways to connect with your customers remotely. As part of your new OnJax Pure Agent platform, you can virtually serve customers who can't physically be with you during showings or open houses. Whether your client is out of town or they are local but can't physically tour a property with you, live virtual showings allow you to build one-on-one relationships with customers in an interactive environment. Every listing details page on your OnJax website now allows visitors to request a showing either in person or virtually. After a visitor makes a request, you can connect with them about what method you'll use to do the one-on-one showing, such as FaceTime, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, or any other video chatting application. Since these requests capture both their email and phone number, not only have you captured a new lead into your Pure Agent CRM, you'll have multiple ways to connect with them. You can log the video call in your CRM so you have full history of your interactions with each customer. The value of the traditional open house concept has been greatly diminished, if not potentially eliminated. But the value of this one-to-many marketing still makes sense for the busy real estate agent who wants to connect to a broader audience. Therefore, live virtual open houses are the future for the savvy agent. Here's how it works. Agents can schedule live stream virtual open houses on their listing right in Pure Agent. Prior to the virtual event, a countdown timer leading up to the showtime will appear right on the listing details page of your OnJax website for every visitor to see. You'll be able to generate new leads on your site with pre-registration for your open house, capturing their contact information for notifications, event reminders, and post-event follow-up. When it's showtime, we'll dynamically display the live stream video along with the rest of your listing details on your website. What a great way to continue to market your seller's property and connect with potential buyers from around the globe. Currently, Pure Agent users can send emails to prospects and clients right from Pure Agent CRM. The difficulty for agents has always been finding the right content to send to these folks. That's why many opt for generic canned responses that do little to engage the recipient, nor truly differentiate the agent that sent the email. The OnJax team is thrilled to announce that we're adding a tremendous new add-on to sending emails in Pure Agent. Pure Agent will allow agents to record a short, quick and easy video message, and your customer can click to play it on any device. We've all been building face-to-face relationships for years, but when we can't physically be together, we can still get face-to-face with our customers and prospects. No one can deny the incredible impact of getting a personal video message. Real estate is a human business. Who better to be the exact human that your customers need than you? Your OnJax team is here to support you with our unwavering commitment to partner with real estate professionals and help them connect with their customers through technology. We want to help you be successful with your business. So give us a call and let's connect about your team's goals. Thanks for being an OnJax partner.